Emmanuel N. Player number 8 from Team France, and head coach Pierre Winthorn. Emmanuel, your comments.
Okay. We are happy because we won, but it's not the most important, I think. Now, selections is coming, so okay, it's good for tonight, but tomorrow we will work for the next game.
Okay, thank you.
So for sure we are really happy by winning this game, because playing against European champion and Olympic champion and world champion and so on. It's a great country, great nation of basketball, great team. So we did a good job tonight, but we did it for nothing, because it's not a crucial game. We have a quarter final to play, and thinking that it's better to play this team at least, or the other team, it's a mistake. We have to be concentrated. We made one step to go to the second round. We made the second step to be qualified for the quarterfinals. Now it's the last step. We have 3 games, so we have first to be concentrated on the first one. Really concentrate, because all the teams here are really close. We have lots of difficulties to win against Israel. So we know that it's easy for us against nobody, but it's easy for nobody to win us also. So I want to keep my team really concentrated to go as far as possible.
Okay, thank you very much.